I used to play games as a kid. And so I always used to think if I wanted to see a brown female Indian protagonist in a game, I'd probably have to build it myself. Later on, I realized I'd probably have to fund it myself as well. So I ended up joining a venture fund. There was this perfect inflection point that came together for a move to India. Back in 2019, when I was at a UK-based venture fund, there was a lot of deal flow that started to come from India. India at that point of time had gone through what I call the geofication of the internet. Smartphones had become very cheap. Internet was dirt cheap. And of course, 50% of India's smartphone population is under 25. And that further meant that there were just a lot of companies which started building in gaming and interactive media back in 2019. So it felt like it was the right time to come back to India to build a sector-focused strategy. I'd seen the inflection points in markets like China, markets like Turkey, markets like Israel, had a very large global strategic network as well. And there was a curiosity about the India market. Being first to the market is always hard. A lot about the market was unknown globally. There were a lot of questions about us, whether there would be enough depth in the market for founders, whether this market would actually provide enough liquidity, whether the sector in itself is VC backable. And, I'd say that was a big leap of faith that was taken. The word Lumikai is actually a combination of two words. It's the Latin word for light and the Japanese word for tribe. So the intention was to illuminate a path.